Good evening, everybody. Dubs here, and this is box break number 127, 1112 titanium from 643boxbreaks.com. Here's your list of winning bidders. Oh, let's move this out of the way, casting a shadow. Alright, so there you go. Our short straw bonus cards for tonight are as follows. We've got a Bobby Ryan, All the King's Men from Crown Royale. We've got a Roman Horak, Crown Royale Rookie Auto. And also a Joe Thornton dual jersey card from Artifacts a couple years ago. So those will head to 3 separate teams who failed to get hits during the regular portion of the break. Our roulette board for today looks as follows. We've got green on 0 and 00. We've got green on 4 and 6 and 7. Orange on 12. Green on 14. We've got orange on 18. Green on 19. Green on 24 and 25. Orange on 32. And there's my cable. So if at any time during the break we spin one of those numbers on our roulette wheel, we will give away one of the associated cards. So if we spin a green chip, we'll be giving away a Colin Greening Mammoth rookie card from Dominion. And if we spin orange, we will be giving away this Tyson Berry Prime Namesakes card from Panini Prime. And if we spin both the orange and the green, we'll give away the higher chip value of the two, which would be the orange 50 chip. So here's our box of titanium. Before we get to that, we will spin our wheel just to get things started off, and we will be giving away a Team Refund for this break. So here's our spin. And that is going to stop on 18. 18. So we'll jump over to our team board. And team number 18 for the refund is going to be the Winnipeg Jets. Winnipeg Jets today was owned by GolfNut57s. So congrats, GolfNut. I'll refund that one to you a little bit later on. Winnipeg. All right, and here's the box of titanium once again, and the serial number, which is NE181211273. So here we go. There's our 4 packs. Empty box, and we'll start from the top and work our way down. So good luck, everybody. Here we go. So we're going to start off with a base card of Roberto Luongo for the Vancouver Canucks. Let's try to focus. Behind that, we've got a base card of Martin Brodeur for the Devils. And our first hit, and it's a beauty. Our first hit. John Carlson and the Washington Capitals. We got the standard jersey, prime jersey, patch of jersey, and fight strap. That one's number 13 of 25, and that's heading to Devilish Demon. So that is our first strike of the break. So for getting the first strike, I'll be including in your pack a pack of 10-11 Zenith. So I'll put your name up here. Devil. So that is heading your way for the first strike bonus. And what a beauty it is. And behind that, we've got a Yager base card for the Flyers. Next pack. And up top, a base card of Jimmy Howard for the Red Wings. And behind that one, a Ruby parallel of James Neal for the Pittsburgh Penguins and Sly Foxes. That one is numbered 49 out of 99. See if we can focus that. 49 out of 99, so that's heading to Sly Foxes. And behind that, we've got a Titanium Reserve of Dustin Brown going to the LA Kings and New Jersey Devils, man. LA. And that one is not numbered. Following that, we've got a spacer and a base card of TJ Oshie for the St. Louis Blues. Ooh, cool. Alright, now we got a Skinner base card for the Hurricanes. Behind that, we've got an Adam Henrique rookie card. That is numbered 76 out of 82. That one is heading to DJ and Ella's mom for the New Jersey Devils. And behind that, we've got another nice one. Here's one of those jersey-shaped cards, and that prime piece is bursting at the seams. Numbered 3 out of 25. It's heading to the Sabres and Golf Nut. So we got this prime piece, which is a nice gold and dark blue. And then we got this prime piece, which is yellow, blue, and silver, and that thing is arced. The card is absolutely bending with the pressure there. Very nice. So that is Nathan Gerbe for the Sabres, and finishing off that pack, we got Tim Thomas and the Boston Bruins. What a good box so far. Are you sure you don't want to quickly erase this video? Well, guess we'll see. Kopitar for the Kings. Then we had Lidstrom for the Red Wings. And finishing off this pack, we've got a Kerry Lettinen game-worn gear for the Dallas Stars. That one's heading to Golf Nut. And then behind that, we've got a Phil Kessel base card for the Leafs. So that is that box of Titanium, and what a good one it was. All right, next up, we're going to be taking a look at our prize board, see what kind of good stuff we're going to be giving away there. So I will spin our wheel to see what spot on the board we'll be taking. And we're going to be stopping on spot number 2. Spot number 2. So we'll transition ourselves over there. So spot number 2, top left corner here, and we'll zoom in on that. And we're looking at a 12-13 Rookie Treasures of Max Sauve. 12-13 Rookie Treasures. Let me see how quickly I can find that. Not in that pile. Bear with me now. There it is. All right, there is our Rookie Treasures of Max Sauve dressed in a Boston jersey, card of a Blackhawk. That is a yellow swatch and a black swatch. And that is our prize for today. So now we are going to spin our wheel once again, and we will refer back to the team board to see what team is going to be taking that one home. So here's our spin. And that's going to stop on team number 6. Team 6. And behind the number 6 box is going to be the LA Kings. LA Kings and New Jersey Devils, man. So congratulations. I'll be including that one in your pack as well. So A to LA. All right, now we'll take a look at our short straw. So here are our 3 cards once again. We got the Thornton dual jersey, we've got Horak auto, and the Bobby Ryan jersey card. Still allow me to clean up a little bit. With this new setup, I still haven't gotten the kinks out of organization quite yet. But that'll come with time. Okay. So there are our short straw cards. So down below the line here are the teams that got hits during the break. So we will shuffle them off the thing because they're not important for this segment. The remainder of the teams we will shuffle up and combine in this cup, and we'll shake that around. Alright, starting from the left and working our way right. So starting with the Bobby Ryan, that will be heading to the Montreal Canadiens and Red Rock. For the Horak, that'll be heading to the San Jose Sharks and Devilish Demon. And the Joe Thornton dual jersey will be heading to the Columbus Blue Jackets and RNO M2. So those are your short straw winners. Alright, now I'll take a look at the roulette board. So these are the numbers that we have spun this break. We have spun 18, 2, and 6. So we'll take a look at the board. 18, 2, and 6. 18 is an orange chip, so we won't even go any further. Orange chip and Tyson Berry it is. So that is what we will be giving away tonight. Very beautiful prime namesakes of Tyson Berry, numbered 32 out of 75. So, let's spin our wheel one last time and see which team is going to be winning that one. So here's our spin. And we're going to be stopping on spot number 32. There is no team associated with 32, so we'll spin again. And that is going to be in the 0 spot. No team with 0 either. And one last time. That is team number 14. Team number 14 for Barry. And that will be going to the Philadelphia Flyers and CLS Zalma 78. So congratulations, Tyson Berry will be heading your way. Philly. All right, and last but not least, we will take a look at our bingo board. So this is what the bingo board looked like at the end of last week. We started things fresh and we put a couple of chips on each board. So we're going to continue on with that, drawing 6 more marbles. And we'll see how much we can fill these boards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the first marble is N38. And N38 is going to give us a spot on board number 2. And that is it. Marble number 2 is going to be 070. .070 is going to put us nothing on all 3 boards. Next marble here is I-26. I-26. That is going to give us 1 spot on board number 3, top row. Next marble has us on I-29. There we go, I-29. I-29 will give us a spot on board 1. Next marble is R. Come on. It is our Golf Nut 5-7 shriveled ball. So that'll give us a spot on board number 1 and board number 3. And last marble, I-22. And I-22 is going to put us with another spot on board 2. And that is where she is going to stand. So board numbers 1 and 2 are almost mimicking each other. Just with a column shifted over and an extra chip on board 1. And board number 3 is also tagging right along. We've got a pretty good setup so far going into the next break, so that'll carry over. Other than that, that is our break for tonight. Congratulations who got something, and hope you guys enjoyed yourselves. So I hope to see you again next time, and I wish you a good evening.